Mario Oxenia Mateo, Miss Universe Philippines 2020.
Be proud and raise your flag.
Hello mga kabe, welcome back to another vlog. Today is around 1:45 in the afternoon here in the Middle East. So we're going to be updated na naman for Rabia's journey in Miss Universe. And right now she's in Los Angeles, California and waiting for the final coronation. And of course they have their own things to do in LA, and of course quarantine na naman sila doon. So day 2 ng outfit niya, was so amazing, perfect, and really fitted on her body. Kasi talagang she's looking stunning and she's looking tall. At talagang napahanga ako mga kalbi, and thank you for the designer who made the outfit for the 2 days na nandoon siya sa Amerika. Thank you for Mr. Marlon Tuazon. Thank you sa'yo, shout out sa'yo boss, to make the beautiful outfit of Queen Rabia Mateo na ang ano nila mga kabes is pearls and seashells yung trimmings ng outfit niya, which is really love it, na green na talagang it reflect on being in Asia, na talagang Pearl of Orient tayo. Napakaganda at napaka-detalye. So to those people who are thinking na tama lang ganun, for me it was amazing. So ito yung ano ni the designer who are on that back, na siya yung nag-design, who made the outfit of Queen Rabia Mateo. So sinabi niya po ito, so a Pinay of any age, our shape is sexy with she has a sense of purpose. So yun naman lagi natin sinasabi mga kabi, that if you have a purpose in life, like you want to win the crown, Miss Universe, or any purpose or any things that you really wanted to pursue, it's up to you how you deal with it. So talagang any shape daw na damit, kung bagay talaga sa'yo, kung talagang nasa pagdala po yan. So if she can converse with sense and convention about relevant issues here and abroad, so talagang that is a sexy. So designer Mr. Marlon Tuazon, so yun po yung message niya sa damit na dinesign niya for day 2 for Queen Rabia Mateo. At saludo po ako kay Mr. Marlon Tuazon because the outfit was stunning and talagang she looked tall. At yun naman talaga, diba, ang inaano ng mga basher because of the issue of height of Queen Rabia Mateo, and Queen Rabia Mateo was so fitted on that outfit. So thank you so much for the designer who made that one, Mr. Tuazon, Marlon Tuazon. You are amazing. You know, there's a lot of designer in the Philippines that really need to showcase their design because they deserve on it. And ang dami po talagang mga designer na hindi pa na discover, but we praying that, you know, in this platform, Miss Universe, Miss International, Miss World, Miss Supranational, Miss Grand International, so talagang masyushowcase nila yung mga gawang Pinoy. At the day 1 before the arriving of Queen Rabia Mateo, since in the Philippine Ninoy International Airport, and then from Ninoy International Airport to US Los Angeles Airport, talagang she's really calm. At yun naman talaga yung dapat talaga, na be calm, be simple. Talagang yun din yung mga issue din na dumadating din sa buhay, diba? Syempre nandoon din yung bakit hindi siya in-interview ni Boy Abonda, bakit walang ganung pasabog, bakit walang yung parang kumbaga dapat may conference, yung kumbaga nandoon pa siya bibigyan ng flowers. So I think there's an issue behind that. So kailangan lang natin maging positibo, itapon natin yung negatibo issue because hindi yun po nakakatulong. So inspired po ang ating Queen Rabia Mateo, at ang ganda ng ganyang hitsura. She look perfect talaga. She's so elegant, and it's not about the beauty. Yun yung lagi kong sinasabi, it's not about the outer beauty, it is about the inside beauty that Rabia Mateo has possessed. Yun naman talaga ang ating purpose kung bakit po siya nandoon, kung bakit, ano ba yung dahilan kung bakit siya nandoon. People are looking forward for the dami ng bagahe, sa dami ng mga outfit na dala, 150, 200. It's not about that. Even you're wearing one design or one outfit, preliminary and final competition, if you really deserve the crown, then mananalo ka talaga, di ba? Ang dami nating mga Miss Universe Queen na nananalo na hindi naman ganun ka bongga, di ba? Yung simple gown, but they are deserving to win. Tingnan mo, marami tayong mga nananalo before in the past previous Miss Universe, but they're looking forward to showcase the essence of being a Miss Universe. Yun naman talaga ang purpose, which is Queen Rabia Mateo. Given na po talaga sa kanya, at talagang palaban po ang ating queen. Ang dami na pong mga, kumbaga, mga naka-line up na mga gagawin niya. So, happy na lang tayo, at yun nga, busy ng ating Queen Rabia Mateo, at in-invite na siya sa Miss Universe, kumbaga, organization. So, happy na tayo, at the same times, nag-i-enjoy po ang ating queen. So, doon na lang po tayo magpo-focus sa kung ano yung maibubuga ng ating queen. Handang-handa na ang ating queen na masupit ang pang 5th crown, at good vibes na lang po tayo. Kung ano po yung ibabato nila against sa mga pasabog ng ating queen, they have the right to say something good or bad, but we are on the focusing on Queen Rabia Mateo's performance. Dapat laban lang, ilaban natin to, dahil kayang-kaya ni Queen Rabia Mateo na maipanalo ang 5th crown. As you can see, the outfit that she wearing naman, wow, talagang inspired ang ating mga designer. And thank you so much for all the designers who created a great, a meaningful gown. It's not about the gown, it's about the dress that has a meaningful, powerful meaning na talagang matatouch in each everyone, di ba? Alam mo yung costume, as you can see, gusto ko rin i-vlog yung costume ni South Africa, di ba? Yung national costume that they already revealed yesterday. Yung mga children nag-write ng mga ano yung nasa isip nila, yung mga ano yung dapat nilang ipahayag, which is talagang nakaka-touch talaga. Simple but a touching, memorable moment, those kids na talagang i-represent ni South Africa na printed yung mga draw na mga childrens, which is nakaka-touch. It's not about those kumbaga, it's a meaningful outfit, simple but a big impact to each and everyone. So yun talaga ang essence of being Miss Universe, that you have a purpose. It's not about the gown, it's not about the things that you show the world, rather than the universe. So ang issue dito is kung paano mo i-handle yung sarili mo, kung paano ka makikooperate sa kapwa mo contestant. Yun naman talaga yung purpose kung bakit ka nandoon, to showcase on what you really wanted to do in those competition. Ano ba ang purpose mo kung bakit ka nandoon? Ano ba ang dahilan mo kung bakit ka sumali sa Miss Universe? It's not about the walk, it's not about that, it's about 20% ganun, pero talaga the whole impact is about the inner beauty that Pilipina has possessed. At gusto ko lang po talagang mag-comment na lagi kong inuulit-ulit sa vlog ko na please do not reply heart messages those basher, because magre-reflect sa atin. Maniwala kayo mga kabi. It's a big impact on our Queen Rabia Mateo. So what we can do is just i-chill na lang yun natin yung sarili natin. Alam ko kahit naman ako parang gusto kong mag-reply sa mga basher, but I keep on my mind yung sinabi ni Queen Rabia Mateo that to those all followers, kalmado lang kayo, wag nyo na lang reply because they doesn't know about our queen, they doesn't know about the kung ano yung kumbaga nakaraan ng ating queen, kung saan siya, kung ano yung ginagawa. Yun mga kabi, why you should judge easily those person na hindi nyo naman talaga kilala yung pagkatao niya. So, kumbaga, kalmado lang tayo. Iwaway na lang natin yung mga issue na yun. So, that's all mga kabi. Ano pong masasabi ninyo sa day 2 outfit ng ating Queen Rabia Mateo? Please comment down below. Napawaw ba kayo? Or napapa-wow na wow ba kayo? Or napapa-excellent kayo sa performance ng ating queen sa gown? At uulitin ko, thank you so much for the designer who made that day 2 outfit of Queen Rabia Mateo, Mr. Marlon Tuazon. You made it. I really like your design. It's really inspiration to those women, not only a Filipina women, but to all the universe women who are competing on the competition, and also to those followers, of course. So, sa mga hindi pa naka-vote kay Rabia Mateo, please, to those people or to those Barbarianatic that is staying in the Philippines, please go to Lazada and vote Queen Rabia Mateo. And to those who are in abroad like me, just click down below mga kabi. Sa baba, mayroon pong link dyan na HTTPS. May nakikita po kayo dyan. I-click lang ninyo yan at diretso na kayo sa application at download and vote for our Queen Rabia Mateo. Dahil ang sabi nga ni Queen Rabia Mateo, itong laban na ito, itong maipapanalo niyang 5th crown ay para sa kanyang mga kababayan na which is ako, ikaw, sila, tayong lahat. So that's all for today mga kabibi. Hope, be love, be kind to others. Spread love lang tayo dahil ang buhay dapat i-enjoy lang. Huwag nang bitter ang playa kasi hindi ka mag-i-improve sa sarili mo. Dapat i-enjoy mo lang, chill ka lang. Dapat respect each other. That's all. Be hope mga kabibi love. Thank you. Take care for this situation na nangyari sa atin. Dapat laban lang. Ilaban natin to.